Hello everybody, thank you very much for checking on us today and welcome back to my subscribers and welcome to my new ones. Yeah, of course my name is Israel Nicodemus, but I'm popularly known as Israel the Trader on my social media platforms. So right here I unblock Forex secret for you. So we unblock it so you can be profitable trading Forex. Yeah. So let's start today's video. So in this video we're going to discuss about how I'm able to make money trading Forex day in day out, right? So right here right now I'm making challenge of $500 account to $5,000. So right now I started it last week. Then currently the account size is 1.1k. I made about 607k, 607 profit last week trading on the $500 account. So this will be the episode 1 of it. You should be expecting the episode 2, episode 3, episode 4. It depends on when exactly we are going to be, kind of achieving our goal, which is $500 account to $5,000 account, right? So right here I got my phone. Let me try to show you exactly how much I made under where the account size is at the moment, because I like to prove to people that what I'm doing right here is 100% working, and so that you can confirm it and understand exactly what I'm teaching you is working out, right? So right here it is the account. I was trying to put it on screen so you can see exactly that it is the account, right? So right here it is the account whereby I deposited $500 account last week, right? As you can see, my balance is $1,107. Equity, something, margin, all of those things, right? Then as you can see, my history for the day, of course, you know that today is Saturday, no trade, right? No Forex trading. So right here, if I apply week, so as you can see, for the week we made about $607 in profit. Then deposit was $500 account. So I deposited $500, which was last week. Right now it is $1,107. So this will be the episode 1 of it. So right here I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to make this particular $607 on a $500 account in 1 week. But just bear in mind that I deposited this money on 24th of August. Then I just did 3 days trading on this particular account. So right here we'll dive into my computer where I'm going to exactly show you what I was seeing in the market and how I was able to make it. Because if you are trying to grow a small account like this, at least risk only 2 to 3% of your account size. Never risk more than 2 to 3% of your account size. If you risk about 10%, 20% of your account size, definitely you'll be able to grow that particular account of which you're trying to grow into 5,000, 10,000, whatsoever means of challenge that you're doing, right? Of course, right here we are doing $500 to $5,000 account, right? So yeah, let's dive into my computer where I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to make it. Yeah, everybody, here we go now on my computer where I'm going to show you exactly what I was seeing in the market, and we'll be checking my free Telegram channel as well, so you can see exactly that I share my analysis, share everything on those channels as well, right? And I've shared it on my premium channel as well with my premium students, because I give them signals right there. But on my free Telegram channel, I give them about 1 to 2 or 3 signals a week right there. But my premium students, they exactly get everything that I'm doing on my account, right? So right here, let's just try to go to this is my free channel right here. As you can see my activities, this was before and after of this particular AUD card signal, right? As you can see, this was before we took the buy on the AUD card, right? As you can see right here, and this is the after. This is the after, and as you can see, let's go to my premium channel. This is my premium channel right here. You see that I share exactly the signals with them, right? So as you can see right here, this was the signal that has been sent to my premium channel, So as you can see, this AUD card stop loss and take profit update. So this was when I made the update But as you can see, I say AUD card analysis. So this is the analysis before we took the buy on it, right? And as you can see, AUD card 50 plus 15 pips profit. I've added 0.04 lot size now. So yeah, I do update them about if I'm adding more lot sizes on my account, right? Because this is what I call compounding. So this is what I call compounding, right? As you can see, I always tell you small lot size first. So yeah, and as you can see, I bought a card around price 0.95081. So this was when I bought the AUD card and I sent it to them, right? And as you can see right here, there are some activities that has happened. This AUD So AUD I sent them this was AUD signal. I sent them AUD as well. And as you can see, this AUD signal. So this was after the AUD has achieved our goal, right? And this was the before. So this was the before on it, right? This is AUD before and after hitting take profits for 70 plus pips, right? So as you can see, let me try to show you exactly the as you can see right here, this is AUD stop loss and take profit update. So this is stop loss, first take profit and second take profit, right? So where was the analysis? So let me show you. This was when I bought it. So I bought AUD around price 75.862. So I give you the price that I'm buying the you know that particular pair. So I give you the price, I give you everything, stop loss and take profit. I update it next, right? And as you can see, this was the AUD later went down in a profit in our direction, right? So we took our profit right here as well. So as you can see, I bought GBP USD around price 1.31434, right? So this was when I bought the AUD GBP USD. So as you can see right here, the GBP USD stop loss and take profit update as well, right? And as you can see, I shared it as well on the free channel. So as you can see, this is Israel the Trader, of which this is my free channel right here, isn't it? So as you can see, let me try to show you exactly that. I shared the GBP USD buy signal on the free channel as well when I took it. So this was when I took it. This is GBP USD analysis, and as you can see, this was before we took the trade, right? So let me just come down right here and show you GBP USD right now. So as you can see, this is GBP USD, and as you can see right here, it went up in our direction, and as you can see that I didn't even close the analysis and everything. As you can see, it's still right here going to the upside. So our take profit was 220 pips of it hits our last target, but still push up to the upside in our favor, right? So right here it is GBP USD, and as you can see, I trade for our time frame. I don't trade smaller time frames, right? Because as you can see, I'm naked chart trader and the price action trader. So yeah, so as you can see, this was the analysis for it. So I share the take profit and everything. I share it as well. So yeah, those are the trade that I took and I send it to free channel as well. So right here, what we're going to be discussing now is I will be discussing what I was seeing in the market before we took these buy signals on this particular pairs, right? And I'll tell you exactly what I was seeing in the forex market. But specifically, we'll be checking out the AUD AUD card, right? So as you can see, let me try to close. Let me try and delete all of this so I can tell you exactly how you can just put your support and resistance levels. But I will not explain everything to you. I will not explain it, but I'll try my best to kind of show you some part. But I will not show you everything. That's I have to be honest with you guys based on I share everything with my students, not on free channel. Let me be honest with you guys. So as you can see, let's start with putting our support and resistance levels. Because if you do watch my videos, I do put my support and resistance levels on the 4 hour time frame. And as you can see, this is my support and resistance line on the 4 hour time frame, right? So as you can see right here, are we just done with our support and resistance level? But the next thing that we are supposed to do is we're supposed to put our trend line. And as you can see, you put your trend line right like that, right? Because as you can see, you need two touches possible for your trend line to be valid, right? And as you can see, on future market did it. This is the first touch and this is the second touch right here. We're supposed to get in for the sell right at this point to come and take our profit right here, right? But we didn't, kind of enter this right here based on the fact that I was seeing the market is actually gonna go to the upside, right? And as you can see, this is the third touch right here. But if you plot your trend line the right way, you should be able to get in for a sell right at where you have the third touch right on this point, right? As you can see, how do you get in for the market to sell this right here? You'll have to about 120 pips as well on this sell alone, right? But we missed it, and we took kind of a buy right here to ride it all the way to the upside, of which we end up making 120 pips on this particular setup, right? And as you can see, I had first, second, and third touches right on this particular setup, right? Of which right here I got broken. This my trend line got broken, and I saw a retest on it, and boom, continue going to the upside. So I tell my students everything that they should be able to know of why I took this buy and everything like that, right? So yeah, so those are the things that I was kind of looking at on this particular setup, and that's how I pull up my support and resistance line and put my trend line and everything like that. Of course, there are some signal confluences that I'm looking out for before I execute my trade. Before I enter for a buy or signal, at least I go for 4 to 5 signal confluences, then I'll ride it all the way to the upside. Of course, there are some things that you need to know in order for you to be able to do all this kind of stuffs in the forex market, right? So if you want to get more details of what you are supposed to be looking at whenever time you are trying to trade forex, so you have to join my premium channel. Once you be my student, I will show you exactly what you are supposed to be doing in order for you to be profitable in the forex market, right? Yeah, so that's what I was looking at on AUD card. All right, guys, thank you very much for checking on us today, and you made it to the end of this video. Right here, if you're new on this my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe icon below so you can subscribe to the channel in order for you not to miss my future upload, right? And also don't forget to subscribe to our Telegram channel. Also don't forget to follow us on Instagram. So thank you very much for checking on us today. I really appreciate your presence on my channel, and hopefully the idea or information that I do share right here on the Israel the Trader channel or on my Instagram or on my Telegram channel will enhance your knowledge for you to be profitable in the forex market. So yeah, once more again, I'm Su Israel and I'm signing out. Thank you very much. See you next time in our YouTube video.